Happy Saturday, everybody. I'm starting to install the wood boards on the troop seats, and there's another guy, YouTube channel I follow, Squatch 253. He and his dad, Squatch Senior, like old Caterpillar crawlers. They have a farm, and one of the things Squatch Jr. talked about, let's see if I can get that to focus, is chasing the threads and cleaning the threads so fasteners go back together easily. It took a minute. Like I said in another video, I chased the square nuts with a tap and all of the bolts with a die, and there's a lot of wisdom in that. These carriage bolts have a square nut on the back side of the round head. I'm not gonna, you guys know what they are. I've already installed them somewhat, so I'm not gonna take one out. But I didn't want the heads of the bolts to round the wood, so I chased everything so everything can go back together easily. And it looks like I have one nut right there that's not fastened all the way down, but I'll get to it. And next to work on are the seat bottoms, and I should have this done in a few hours. And this summer I'm gonna strip the deck again. And you know, I'm not a carpenter by trade, so we learn as we go. And with the boards, I use 30% acetone. May have been a little too hot of a choice of a reducer, but and 70% teak oil. But I see you really got to spray it on thick. And then I used, after I got my reduced mixture, I used my spray gun, high volume, low pressure, and just poured it on thick. And these boards came out pretty good. I will be going over them with like 220 or 320 with my square sander, the vibro sander, and then shoot them again. But for the time being, I got to get this wood on the truck, and here we go. All right, so we're making progress. Gonna go slow, take it easy. I'm gonna get, I have the outermost board secured, and then this third board in here only has one bolt in it. So I'm going to set the rest of the boards and get the all the screws mated. Then I'm going to fold it back up and hit all the screws. This little lever here holds the seat bottom up, so that way I can get in there with the impact. All right, now the easy part begins. Okay, those just fold down like that. Well, they need to be in that configuration. That's it. That's it, man. That wasn't too bad. It only took I don't know, about an hour and a half. And now to do this side. All right. I'm liking that a lot. Yep. Just got to get in there with a touch-up brush and some paint. And we're good to go. All of these little bubbles will come off. I just need to let this stuff cure a little bit more. And dry off. Yeah. I can hit it with like 300 grit. Do another coat. It's gonna look good. All right, next is the headboard. And I'll wait till Monday to do the sandblasting on the board with the bow corners. They're all right there. It's that MC2A air compressor. Makes a bit of racket. I'm gonna wait till my neighbors go to work, and then I'll get more done. All right, that's gonna wrap up the troop seat sides video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.